Welcome to CCTV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Jamaica, a beautiful island nation in the Caribbean, has been facing a growing concern in recent years. The government's decision to sell off large tracts of land and key assets to foreign investors has sparked outrage among locals who feel that their country is being sold out to the highest bidder. One of the main countries buying up Jamaica is China. The Chinese government has been investing heavily in the island, purchasing large tracts of land, building new infrastructure, and even acquiring key assets such as the Jamaican Port Authority. China's presence in Jamaica has been growing rapidly, with the country becoming one of the island's largest trading partners. But China is not the only country buying up Jamaica. Other nations such as the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom are also investing heavily in the island. These countries are purchasing large tracts of land, building new resorts, and acquiring key assets such as hotels and restaurants. The sale of Jamaican land and assets to foreign investors has had a significant impact on locals. Many Jamaicans are concerned that their country is being sold out to the highest bidder, and that they are being priced out of their own homes. The influx of foreign investment has also led to an increase in property prices, making it difficult for locals to afford housing. The Jamaican government has defended its decision to sell off land and assets to foreign investors, citing the need for economic growth and development. However, many locals are skeptical of the government's motives and feel that the country is being sold out to the highest bidder. Some examples of foreign ownership in Jamaica include the Chinese government's purchase of the Jamaican Port Authority, which gives China control of the island's major shipping hub. The acquisition, the iconic Jamaican Hotel, the Half Moon Resort by a Canadian investment firm. The purchase of large tracts of land in Jamaica by American and British investors who are building new resorts and developments. As foreign investors continue to buy up Jamaica, many are left wondering what the future holds for the island. Will the influx of foreign investment lead to economic growth and development, or will it price out locals and erode the island's unique culture and identity? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the sale of Jamaican land and assets to foreign investors is a trend that is unlikely to reverse anytime soon. Please take note of the countries buying up Jamaica. China, $1.5 billion in investments. United States, $1.2 billion in investments. Canada, $800 million in investments. United Kingdom, $500 million in investments. Other countries, $1.5 billion in investments. Thank you for watching this video. If this kind of video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.